Here we have a stunning example of a 1963 Volkswagen Splitscreen. This is an 11-window Kombi which has received an extensive array of restoration work over the years, and I'm going to quickly show you around it. So let's start with the exterior. This bus is finished in beige grey over ceiling wax red, which is a very original Volkswagen two-tone colour scheme. It's also got the front and rear bumpers resprayed in white, and it's got the red ceiling wax front logo. This bus has been lowered and it features independent rear suspension, so it sits lovely on 15-inch SSP BRM wheels, and hiding behind the front wheels is CSP's front brake, disc and caliper conversion. It also features the front safari windows and 6 pop-out side windows, and also the ignition and all locks on the vehicle all work off just one key. Now moving inside, as you can see, the whole interior has undergone a comprehensive retrim, featuring light slate grey leather upholstery to all seats and interior panels. This is complemented by colour coordinating carpet and light cream cloth headliner, ensuring a cohesive interior throughout. This rear bench is a rock and roll configuration, so it folds out into a double bed accommodating 2 individuals quite comfortably. And when it's not in use, this split screen can provide seating for up to 6 people. At the rear we have a 1776cc engine with a twin Weber 40 carburettor setup, mated with a 3-way fly gearbox that gives you a taller 4th gear, resulting in lower RPM at cruising speeds, better MPG and a higher top speed. Additionally, an external oil cooler has been installed beneath the vehicle to help maintain an oil temperatures, given the enhanced performance of the split screen's engine compared to conventional setups. For any sales inquiries, please don't hesitate to get in touch. The split screen is available to view on our website, but like all of our vehicles, we recommend coming to view them in person. Test drives are welcome. We can get the vehicles up on the ramp so we can inspect the underside, and we can talk through everything in finer details.